So we are going to be installing this today. We as in my baby girl. I've got a 7-year-old here, and we're going to put her to work. This is her first DIY home project. She's pretty excited. We're going to be hanging this thing up. It's kind of this accordion-style thing we found for towels in the bathroom. It came down, so we're going to be making sure that doesn't come down again. We're giving her the hammer. I drilled the hole, of course, the pilot hole for the wall anchor. And she's doing a great job here. A little timid.
Let me help you. Ready?
Very sweet. Gonna pound that in to the wall. And the 2 pilot holes are already perfectly measured horizontally, so we don't have to worry about it being crooked.
Wow. What do you think about that? Okay. Stand up on the...
All right, we've got those wall anchors flush to the wall.
Okay, stop. Stop. What's happening is it's not all the way in there tight enough, so you have to push a little harder.
The big issue for her here is making sure the angle is correct and there's enough force applied to the top of the screw head. So I'm going to help her just a little. And then we got to pull it back before it gets flush because you want it sticking out a little bit, right? And we will do that to the other side as well. And these are the screw heads we're using, making sure that the screw heads are not too big, that they'll actually fit into the little rings. By the way, click that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with somebody if you think they might have a kiddo that needs some inspiration on, doing something around the house. Hey, look at this kid working. You can work too, right? Come help Daddy out. No, Dad, I don't want to. Well, this kid's doing it. Anyway, she's having a lot of fun. Look at that. Concentration. And what she's doing is getting that second screw just hand tightened. Just started a little bit so it doesn't wobble around on you. Makes...
Don't let go. You're going to hold the trigger. Let's put it in there first. Okay, stop. Good. Let's check that out. Yeah, baby.
And now we'll put on this accordion towel rack thing. And we just got this at some, I don't know, like some restore place, some old antique store or something, super cheap. And we just spray painted it to match the curtain. So that's kind of cool. Now we'll get her up here, and she's trying to figure out kind of which way it goes. You can see it unfolding on her. So we're going to fold it back in just a little bit. And we'll get that one on. I'm going to assist slightly because it can be kind of tricky if you've hung a picture frame, for example. Kind of hard to see where that hole is because it's behind there.
Yeah, it should be on there. Check it out. Okay, what do you think?
Good.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Is that gonna hold and be steady?
Yeah.
Okay, you wanna put up your, where's your towel? Nice. And which hook do you wanna put that on? The bottom hook or the top hook? Okay. Thumbs up? Yeah, baby. Pound it.
I don't know if you could do pull-ups on it, but that should work.